Okay, well, I'm here at the Renaissance Hotel. It really brings me back to 2016 through 2018 vibe. I would say I've been here for a convention for a few years, but I'm sure there might be previous convention that was held, I don't know, before 2016 or 2015, somewhere around there. Probably all these little miniature events or conference groups, but I'm just doing a favor for any future conventions, for any chairman of any organization that wants to open up a new 2026 fresh conventional event, 2-day, single day event or whatever, here at this Renaissance Hotel. And this is the interior. So you can thank me that I'm doing all this for you from the bottom of my heart, to help out any chairman so they don't have to waste their time and gas to, you know, browse the interior or the exterior of this hotel. But going based on what I'm recording here or documenting here is I don't know what the capacity or how many attendees this hold, but I would say it's a medium size attendance for a medium-sized convention. So I would say probably held about 500 attendees or close to 1,000. It is not a large-scale convention. But I've been here before. I know what the layout of this hotel looks like. I remember being on the 5th floor or 6th floor, and downstairs there usually be a dealer's room. And one of those rooms on my right-hand side could be a gaming room, few anime video screening room or whatever. Maybe on the left is like panels, other scales of events, and probably somewhere around here, probably some here with all these decors could be, I don't know, the living room meetup for photo shoots or whatever, for any cosplay get together photo shoots or whatever. But yeah, I'm just doing any chairman for any future 2026 brand new conventional events a favor, as I really would love to see a new event opening up here at this location here at this hotel. So there's the elevators that takes you up to the hotel room. Right here in between, I remember the elevator crisis where so many people are going in and out, and I will tell you this, if you're checking in and checking out, it gets stir crazy. It gets very competitive, people coming in, checking in and checking out. So yeah, for any attendees in general, for spending the night here at this hotel, yeah, I don't know what to say about checking out, but I would suggest you clean out your hotel room the day before, like Saturday, and put all your stuff in your car, so you don't have to, you know, scramble to compete with someone else using the little bellhop cart or wherever. But I could say this, I can wholeheartedly say this, I've been to this hotel and I've been to a lot of conventions, and I have a fair amount of volunteer experience, and I really would say I would qualify to be a vice chairman of any convention events that are looking for staff management. And I would love to compete in well, I don't want to be political, but I want to be campaigning to be the next vice chairman, to work closely with the chairman, any future chairman of any future conventional events, whether it may be another anime convention or a Comic-Con or whatever. But I'm suggesting I would like to have this be held here. If any future chairman or any conventional organization has the money, and I would love to see and feel that experience of what's it like to be a part of a new conventional experience. And of course there's an ATM right here. So yeah, it is strategically placed in the middle of all surrounding eateries, car wash, gas station, Starbucks coffee. I've been to around this area here in the Arboretum, here in northwest side of ATX, and I figured this is where the chairman or any chairman will go to speak to hosting an organization like a 3-day or 2-day event. They go talk to this person here in the business center. So yeah, I really would love to go back to 2016 and relive that moment again. And my name is General Sunbeam Titan. And yep, this is the Renaissance Hotel here on the Arboretum of ATX. Okay, yep. I don't know if I'll get this uploaded on Facebook. I might upload it on Facebook, but I don't know. Alright, that door is too heavy. I gotta remember not to close that like that. Okay. So this is the okay, I'm lost of thoughts here. So again, this is the Renaissance Hotel. My name is General Sunbeam Titan. And this in the copyright intellectual property belongs to me, as I'm the one that is recording this. And I'm here to promote and provide free publicity promoting this hotel for any convention events, future convention events hoping to be held here, because I would love to see a fresh brand new anime convention event or Comic-Con being held here at the Renaissance Hotel here at the Arboretum. And again, I've been to a convention that was held here for a few years before it got relocated due to high attendance. And I would like to campaign to be the vice chairman, the second in command of the whole operation. And I want to say it because I have a fair amount of volunteer experience, and I'm getting tired of doing just volunteer duties and just being a peasant. I want to take on a big challenge to assist leading the whole event. And I want to tell this to any future chairman of any future organization, any 2-day events. I'm doing this for free. I don't want the money. I don't want you to pay me. I just want the publicity. I'm willing to be the face of any event and lay down pretty much my health and my life on the line to bring it to life. And I hope my voice is heard and taken into consideration, as I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this for free. It is for the attendees. I want the attendees to be happy. We have family. I don't like politics. I want to create a non-toxic safe haven, a safe space for the future attendees. And it should be all about the attendees. I don't know what's all these ruckus or a lot of these complaints and all this left and right, Democratic versus Republican style hate and disagreements about regarding the convention itself or the chairman or how it's organized. But I would say I've been to that Renaissance Hotel behind me, and I know the layout really well. And I will say this, based on my experience as either as an attendee goer or whatever, I want to make sure that every entrance and exits are open, accessible, and that we need to make sure that we take every safety into consideration. Make sure that there is a way for every attendee to get out safely in case of a fire hazard or whatever. But I have been working in these kind of related events as a volunteer, and I do have experience. So I hope I am referred and chosen to lead for any new, fresh, brand new 3-day conventional events. And it will be an honor if you chose me. I'm glad that you picked me to lead as a staff management in charge of the whole operation. And that's what I'm looking for. I don't want to be a volunteer peasant. I'm tired of that. I want to have a badge that says staff, vice chairman or something. And I want to express that. So again, here's the Renaissance Hotel in the Arboretum area. Here's a parking lot, surrounding restaurants, just providing a good exterior, interior. So yeah, it can get packed and get busy. And I appreciate anyone looking at this video. I'm not a good cameraman recorder, so I apologize for any poor qualities, but I did do my best to record the interior of the hotel and took multiple pictures. Of course, I'm probably going to share that on Facebook and Instagram and all that. Hopefully a new convention gets held here. So again, thank you very much for the views and the shares, and have a great day. Peace.